welcome to my YouTube, because it's like everyone say, hey William, so sad, no more workshop, we want to shoot this, that, but in this time, what we do today, some special time. Okay, guys, girls, have you had some collection on your stuff? Toys, okay, cars, small thing. Okay, have you ever dreamed before that you're putting your inside, or you're putting yourself on top of it, or become small together with it? Okay, so for me, this is some of my collection. Yes, so how you imagine that if I'm standing with him, or he, I don't know lah. So that's why sometimes the idea in photograph is sometimes we call creativity. So yes, definitely we might need Photoshop. Someone say, wow, how we shoot now. Okay, I'll be combination using photo manipulations, combine few of the picture or the element together, so to become one of the shot. I'll be demoing the shot by using Sony A7RM3 with 135 together. Okay, remember, for those shots, we have to very consistent of light. Okay, first thing, what's mean of light? Okay, like example, when you're shooting your toys, like little Molly here, where's the direction of light? Okay, from the front. So when you're shooting the whole scene, the light is from front or the side. So when you're shooting yourself, okay, when you're shooting yourself, you want to include in the picture with your toys. Okay, you definitely need to know or think back, where's the direction of light just now? Like if the light from the right, so you had to find the window side like this. Now it's from my right. Okay, so I need to know where's the direction of light, where should I do it and how. Okay, first thing, very important, if you're using 135 to shoot, please remember, don't use wide angle. Like example, probably you have 16-35. You just wide angle to shoot yourself because you say, maybe it can fit. Yes, it can fit. But when you put inside, the angle, the level of the eye view, it will look weird. So what you can do is you 135 to shoot it properly, you can use 135 or 70 or 50, as long as the angle of the viewing is a little bit narrowing down. It's not too wide, because wide angle might letting you tracking more wider or longer. So the composition or the positions or proportion or anything will change. So this is why what you need to do is very be careful when you're shooting. Alright, so I'm doing shooting from the idea that I want to be correct, or I want to correct. So hopefully it might help you to spend your time in this moment. Okay, stay safe, guys. Okay, so now what I'm having is a policeman. Okay, you can see a policeman here. So by creating a way that we are shooting, so or the idea, so this is what am I doing. A policeman, then a pizza delivery is here. Okay, so in this idea, what should I do? Okay, am I running or being caught by the police? Okay, so probably in this part, I might putting myself in here. Okay, this might be me. Okay, example, I'm putting myself here. Okay, set, oops, set and captured by the police. Okay, so I lift up my both hand, but okay, like that. Okay, so basically for few of this shot, I was taking two shots. One is with the clown as myself, and one is without. Why? Because roughly would like to know where's the direction of myself and where should I be, here or here. So later on my frame will be here on this part. So I'll be using a 135 to shoot. So I will getting a lot of bokeh at the back. So with and without. So you become two. So this is might be doing. So I might putting some of the character behind, like the background. So I will show you all how the result come out. So later on, how I might pose to get into the picture as well. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Right, so okay. Alright guys, this is how does it look like in using a 135 to shoot in frame on it. Okay, so I'll be tuning some of the defocus so you can see the background. The tuning, everything is quite nice. You can get the bouquet and the toys as well. So I'll be the character on the toys. So I'll be taking two shots, one with the cloud and one without the cloud. Okay, so remember when you do shooting, okay, try to focus on the police, all right, not the cloud, because it's like we want the cloud, the police be clear. Okay. On the scene here, this is without a cloud. Okay, so I'll be standing on that part. So you can see my line, my parallel line is above the waist. So this is how when you are setting tripod to shoot yourself. Okay, to shoot yourself, okay, tembak sendiri, okay. I'll be putting a camera over there and shooting 135 through this wall. So, sorry. Okay, sorry, because it's like just now we are trying to do something easy to crop up. So it's more prefer you're choosing the background in the white color. Okay, why white color? Because it's like easy, then you won't have a very difficult way to crop it out later. So when I'm demoing, I'll be putting myself. So remember just now, where's the house the cloud post? So I'll be shooting a few shots of myself and before we combine it. So now I'm using a 24 to shooting this lock. And just now for those shots, I'm all using 135 in the parallel line. So I'm putting down in the middle, in the waist. So we'll be continue to see how does the result look like. Hi guys. Yep, now we are in the Photoshop. So this is roughly the result that might be come up. So later on I'll be showing you how do I use the layer and how do I cut it out and how do I place it. Still remember the small cloud here. Okay, this is almost the composition of the height of the cloud. So as myself as the cloud in the area. Alright, now what we need to do is we go to file, open, yep, open the file, the shot that we just shot, open. Okay, this is the image, this is direct come out direct from the camera, and file, open again, open what picture? Okay, open myself. Okay, this one. Okay, open. Alright, so I already opened myself in here. By using a move tool, I just drag myself, go to the background here. Go through here, in the layers, they have an opacity. Just slide down a little bit. Quick selection tool. When you right click, okay, you can have a magic wand object selection tool and click quick selection tools. Okay, for this time we will be using a quick selection tool. So it's done. So what we do now? Okay, here we have a masking tool. Add layer mask. Okay, right, click on it. Whoa, I'm out. Okay, alright, so you can move around. Okay, like that. Power. Okay, good. This is crazy. Okay, alright. So now, detail time. So you can see my knee here. Oh gosh, we accidentally cut it out. How to do that? Okay, remember, always doing a mask, a layer mask. Why masking it? Because when you do mask, it'll be easy to light tracking back the object. So we have to black and white. So you can see, white will be my figure coming out, right? done for cropping out myself. Now I would like to making a similar shadow, okay, reflection on the bottom. What we can do now? Okay, good. Hey, where's it gone? Okay, T. What's T? Yes, it's a text. Okay, it's a text. Okay. That's it for now. Alright, so enjoy how you do it, enjoy how to edit it. Okay, anything you want to share together and learn together, okay, just let me know. Okay, stay home, stay safe, take care and enjoy. Okay, don't go out.